Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. Today I want to show you how I make 3D wallpaper. Just like this.
I never thought I'd feel like this.
This is a part 2. First part pin in, first comment. Watch full video and subscribe my channel. First we made a heart shape. So follow the process.
I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like this. Feel like I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like this. Feel like I never thought I'd feel like this.
Then click Alter and copy. Click 3D in material. Now click inflate. Now follow the process.
I never thought I'd feel like I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like this. Feel like
Now click it. Our 3D wallpaper is ready. Now we make this 3D wallpaper. Now go to Effect. Click Distort and Transform. Now click Pucker and Bloat. And follow the same process. Our 3D wallpaper is ready. If you are like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.
You watch more video like this. Please subscribe to my channel.